Hello everyone! For today's video, I will teach you how to make the first letter capital in MS Excel. So we are here on MS Excel. You can see there are 4 different names here in which every first letter are not capital at all. So to change this, you need to enter equal sign, type proper, open bracket, type A, capital letter A, because every name belongs to the column A. And number 2, since our first name is in the second row, and close bracket, then hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, the name has changed. So to make the other names the same as the first name, let's just drag this and it will automatically change. So that is the easiest tricks you have ever known for today's video. So I hope you learned something for today. Thank you for watching.